You know, your Friday would decide आप किसके साथ बैठ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Someone doesn't want to sit next to someone because that person's film is not doing well. But
sometimes people don't even work that hard, and it's just luck that generates stuff, and
I've never shied away from saying a no.
I never wanted to be an actor. It's just by accident that I came into this industry.
आपको इस तरह की फिल्म करनी चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, ऐसा PR होना चाहिए, आपको ऐसे ड्रेसअप करना चाहिए, आपको मीटिंग्स में ऐसे जाना चाहिए. You come across too straightforward and too simple. Simplicity से बहुत घबराते हैं, थोड़ा कुछ uncool लगता है.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with two extremely talented bunch of people, Imran Hashmi and Yami Gautam. So nice to have you all.
Thank you.
Congratulations on Haq. सबसे पहले पूछना चाहूँगी that with a story like that, with a script like that, और and as actors जब आप खुद कुछ चीज़ों में believe नहीं करते and the character is a little grey, how do you convince yourself to play that with so much conviction even though you all don't believe in it? As humans,
I think that's more for me than
more for you actually.
Yeah, I mean, this is something that I felt, and whenever it is of this nature where the ideology of the character and his his background and just how he is something you don't understand on paper, but you like the space and you get what he's doing in a sense from an outside perspective. That is the challenge, to play that character, and then there's a longer journey to find that, but in searching for that, that's where you get most of the dividends and you get kind of a satisfaction. So Abbas is someone who ideologically is very, very different from me, and I've understood him through this journey. I think through the scenes, every day going on set, playing it out, of course rehearsing the lines over and over again, you get into the mind space of that character. But there is no substitute for going there, shooting these scenes with Yami, with the other characters, and then understanding, okay, this is what it is. He's so wedded to his belief system, he's so wedded to his tradition and his interpretation of that. That's why he's coming from that place of truth. Even if you're playing a great character, that man is, or that woman is always the hero of their own narrative. Any conflict is always from the point of view of two rights. It's not right and wrong. From the outside perspective, you might see it that way, but this guy is, he's damn right where he's coming from. So, yeah, and I think I understood him in a certain way through the film.
I think even for you, I feel like when you play such grey shades, how do you sort of convince yourself that Yami, this is what my character feels like?
Then that means we're not talking about Haq, for me at least.
Yeah.
No, that's the beauty of the job that we are part of now. We're constantly trying to in fact look for such paths. We're not trying to look for ourselves in what we do. That's not the idea of being an artist. There could be some characters which are part of you unknowingly. You add to that, but you add to the narrative. You don't try and look for yourself in that. You have to understand the script for what it is and understand the role, and if it works for you, great. And and once you commit to something, you don't try and convince yourself, or you don't try and judge the character. That's, as I said, you see it from his lens. Then you see it from that narrative shifts. So that's a fun part of being the character, to convince you that we had to do a lot of convincing to do the part.
But I have to ask that with the privilege that you all have in your lives, when a common man or probably someone will feel that, I'm sure at that level and that life you're not facing patriarchy, but I want to understand, even today, have you ever noticed around you in your life where you felt like patriarchy still sort of exists? Then which part would that be?
See, at different levels, we are a part of something which is like a society which is really big, and we're talking about patriarchy, we're talking about these things which are stemmed and have been there since so many years, and it always takes a lot of effort and consistent effort to bring about certain changes, and not every kind of expression of patriarchy has to be out there. Since you asked us about the kind of places we are, of course, in the industry also, if you see, matlab cinema, whatever industry we're in, that's part of the society only. We're not from some kahin bahar se nahi hai. So a lot of rules, lot of things, lot of your business roles, a lot of things have been from a certain lensing,
Yeah.
right? इसलिए हमें बोलना पड़ा बीच काफ़ी टाइम तक के लिए विमेन सेंट्रिक फिल्म्स, अदरवाइज ज़रूरत नहीं है बोलने की. बहुत लोगों को ये टर्म पसंद भी नहीं है, पर हमें पसंद नापसंद से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि द ट्रूथ इज़ यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन इट, है ना. अदरवाइज अ फिल्म इज़ अ फिल्म, अ गुड पार्ट इज़ अ गुड पार्ट. तो वो सब चीज़ों में टाइम लगता है, वो टाइम लगता है. और वो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई कंपटीशन है यहाँ कि कितनी मेल सेंट्रिक और कितनी फीमेल सेंट्रिक फिल्म. अच्छी फिल्में आनी चाहिए. अगर एक मेल एक्टर का अच्छा पार्ट है, फीमेल का भी, जो जॉनर है फिल्म का जो है, तो वो भी एक अच्छा निकल कर आना चाहिए. लाइक समटाइम्स पीपल आस्क मी, आप और कॉमेडी कीजिए, जैसे धूमधाम और बाला में था. मैंने कहा अच्छे रोल्स लिखे जाएंगे तो अच्छे रोल्स करेंगे, क्यों नहीं करेंगे. सो नाउ बट दीज शिफ्ट्स एंड चेंजेस आर हैपनिंग, यू कैन सी दैट, एंड ऑडियंस इज मोर देन वेलकमिंग. आई डोंट थिंक दे डिफरेंशिएट कि हम इसकी फिल्म नहीं देखेंगे, इसकी फिल्म देखेंगे. ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर सर्टन स्टार्स और एक्टर्स हु आर मोर लव्ड, बट दैट्स देयर आर डिफरेंट रीजंस. It's like what we are giving them. So if I don't look too much around, if I'm talking about our own field that we're in, things are changing for the better. आप ये देख लो, पहले तो शादी छुपानी पड़ती थी सबको, even male actors, you know, because of certain images. Forget kids. Now I'm really I'm at a stage in life where I have good work. It's not about filling up calendar. I have work. I have good work. Which is regardless of my personal life, which is I think a big shift.
Yeah.
Also, and like me, there's so many others. So, yeah.
100%. So you like to add something on that?
No, it's the same thing. I think there is a paradigm shift you see right now on a film set. Yes, there's all this. It's still a male-driven industry. I mean, tell me how many female producers or directors or cinematographers you have. But I've seen a transition from 2003. I mean, from essentially just male sets, there are only men on a film set. Right now, you have so many people who have come in, DOPs, producers, cinematographers,
Sound department.
sound department. It's great, and you know these things don't change overnight. I mean, this is a big thing in the past 2 decades. I've seen this shift, and it'll only get better. You know, and when you even talk about something like from our film, you talk about this is something that's been going on, and that's why even our generation, the present generation, or through communities, they can relate to something like this, where women post divorce, God forbid, they're not financially stable. They are just left in the lurch to kind of fend for themselves, and they don't even know how to seek justice. Men just wash their hands off a situation and just move on their life to the next relationship or whatever. And this costs a woman her dignity.
100%. But also, you know, I'm sure everyone's been talking about the love you've been getting, you know, so much. You've been trending all over social media and everywhere. Do you feel, how do you feel, because you know, back then even your films did well, your songs did well, but it's just aging better. It's just getting better and better and better with time, and we see this happen very rare with actors. What do you have to say about people giving that kind of hype, that kind of due now?
I really don't know what to understand from it, but it's just that there, you know, like you said, these films, these songs, these dialogues, all these pieces of creative work have this kind of aged well, and they are still relating to this current gen, and it just, you know, you had to have a Gen Z director to kind of give it that kind of acknowledgement for that audience. The present audience are probably us, these younger actors, they connect with them more. They know of me, they're probably connected through some films and some songs, but now they're even more curious to see it after, you know, you have someone like Aryan who's made this show.
True.
So they're tuning into it, and you know, my fans have all, you know, they're witnesses, they're, you know, people who have been in the 90s era, they have witnessed these films, the songs, so they're like, it's like Raghav's character, we told you so. But there's a new generation that's kind of discovering it through bads. So that's a nice thing.
It's lovely. Same for you, Yami. I feel like, you know, every time we speak about and we meet for a project, it's turned out so well for you, especially 2024 with Article 370 and everything. How does it hit? Because, you know, you've been an outsider who's made it to the industry, and so beautifully so. What actually goes in your head, because you're saying you have good work, and I'm sure that's not come easy. It's come with a lot of good and okay work, and that's finally making you say that I have good work now. So how's that journey been?
Oh, it's good. It's good that one must go through all the hardships, whatever one's idea of hardship is, and that's good. So your success, first of all, it doesn't never belongs to you. There are always people who's contributed to that. First and foremost, always your family who've been there with you, for you, along with you through thick and thin, and will always be there no matter what. And certain directors that all it took just 2 films for things to for someone to recognize, okay, you know, I'm talking about Uri and Bala in the same year back in 2019, that let's cast her for something which people are not expecting. So and when things don't work out for you or work for you, it's the day you stop putting it on the other side. No matter how unfair people are to you, no matter how unfair you feel that's not right, you'll never understand certain castings. I'm talking back in the day, or maybe even today, you don't understand. There's no 2+2=4 वाला जॉब नहीं है ना यहाँ पे. आपका एक फिल्म में होना ना होना वो डिसीजन किसी के ऊपर है. That may have some reasons which may not make sense to you, right? But that's how life is. That's what this profession has been all about. It's very uncertain. It is a gamble. So what do you do in a situation like this? So you stay resilient. Of course, there are times you've hit your lowest. You feel maybe I'm not cut out for this. Maybe I would have been better off in Chandigarh or Himachal doing something. And
Simpler life.
it's not about simple. Life is not simple anywhere. Everyone has their own struggles. You move outside the industry, you see what's happening, what's going on in someone's life. You don't know, right? Nanak dukhya sab sansar. You know, they say that. So no one's life is easy. Life, that is how it is. But what you make out of that, in that make or break situation is, and I was very sure that there is no chance ever. There should never be a chance in life where I feel that respect and dignity for my own self in my own eyes has gone down or should be compromised. Absolutely not. I've never shied away from saying a no. I'm talking about work. I'm talking about just the way you carry yourself. You know, are you going to bend your own rules, or you also don't want to come across when you're so young, when you're so vulnerable. You know, you want to understand what this place is about, and it's big. It's much more vast than what you think. It's not as simple as कि आपकी पहली film hit हुई and it's a cakewalk for you, right? There's suddenly 10 people who are with you, around you. There's suddenly so many advices floating around. आपको इस तरह की film करनी चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, ऐसा PR होना चाहिए, आपको ऐसे ड्रेसअप करना चाहिए, आपको मीटिंग्स में ऐसे जाना चाहिए. You know, you come across too straightforward and too simple. Simplicity से बहुत घबराते हैं, थोड़ा कुछ अनकूल लगता है कभी-कभी ना, इसलिए तो कुछ नहीं है. एंड में यही है कि आपको अपने काम पे डटे रहना है और कुछ भी नहीं है. There is nothing like, oh, I have arrived now. I can't think like that. I don't think like that. I'm still here, working from one Friday to another. Everything is dependent on that. आज ये है, कल कुछ और होगा. देख पर जो भी होगा उसमें हेड हाई रखना है, मेहनत पूरी करनी है और आगे बढ़ना है. That's it. That is what I think I felt. That is what worked for me. That अब वो काम नहीं करना है जहाँ पे आपका दिल ना हो. Otherwise मत करो. So that is when things just changed for me.
Absolutely. Now, before I leave, just the last question. How much, because we are talking about this, in your journeys, आप कितना credit अपने luck को देते हो और कितना credit अपने hard work को देते हो अपनी journey में? Because this industry has a huge factor of destiny.
You know, it's always a blend of your skill set, talent, this unknown that you don't know what that is, the whole luck thing. Sometimes people you don't even work that hard, and it's just the luck that generates stuff, and you know, so that's an unknown. But I think yes, there is, for me at least, I was not someone who I never wanted to be an actor. It's just by accident that I, came into this industry, and then I had to work harder because I had to learn the craft. I think that was an uphill task. Just learning that every day is a new day, falling, dusting yourself, getting up again, and just keep moving forward and just being resilient. That's something I've learned, and the responsibility that you can't take your craft or in any profession for granted.
Yeah.
And the thing is, in our industry, it's luck is something that you can't quantify. It's sometimes it's someone's look, sometimes it's someone's it's the age that they're in that generates a certain kind of momentum for them in their career. So you can't quantify that, and you can't leave everything to luck. I mean, eventually there has to be something there, a little bit of talent or hard work. And I always say this, that hard work will always win over talent, because some talented people, they just wash everything down the drain because things come easy to them.
True.
So it has to be a blend of everything.
Blend of everything. Yami, you'd like to say something?
I don't know how to define luck. I can only, what's in my control is my hard work and what effort I put in the work that I do. And apart from that, I'm a believer, I'm a person of faith. I believe there's a higher super power somewhere.
Yeah.
I believe in that. I believe in the blessings of my parents, my grandparents, my elders. I also believe that no matter who it is, just respect everyone. Just respect everyone. Meet everyone nicely. Be nice from your heart to as much as possible. जब हम शुरू में इंडस्ट्री में आए थे, जैसे अवार्ड फंक्शंस वगैरह होते हैं, सबको सबकी सीट्स डेजिग्नेट करते हैं. तो जब मैं देखती थी, शायद मे बी आई वाज ओवरथिंकिंग और समथिंग, बट योर फ्राइडे वुड डिसाइड आप किसके साथ बैठ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Someone doesn't want to sit next to someone because that person's film is not doing well, but he might be a really good actor. And I would just be like standing ki karna kya? Acha, someone doesn't maybe want to sit with me. Someone maybe doesn't want to. Someone wants you to sit बिल्कुल पीछे. ठीक है, किसी को तो पीछे बैठना है. But that, I don't know that.
Hierarchy.
On based on Friday. एक hello आप बोल यहाँ से रहे, पर आँखों में कुछ और है. आँखों में it's this little
judgment.
Not judgment. मतलब कि showing the person their place. I thought कि यार मैं कभी भी किसी के साथ ऐसा नहीं करूँगी.
Yeah.
At least whatever my understanding. Be nice to everyone. Be a good human.
Absolutely. Now, on that note, we wish you all the very best for Haq. I'm sure it's going to create a conversation that's much needed, and we wish you all the very best for
A conversation and as many eyeballs, as many audience, all the love.
Yes.
That's what we need. खुल के बोलो.
100% मिलेगा वो भी.